Thank you for sending this item to check out. And these are the 10 superfood gummies. And these are comprehensive daily nutrition, 40 plus of nature's most nutritious superfoods in a 10 to 1 extract form for greater absorption and bioavailability. So it has superfoods, probiotics, antioxidants, zero sugar, adaptogens, and no nasty. These are apple flavored. You're supposed to take them 4 times daily. Alright, and then has a lot of the ingredients here of what's inside. I'll just take a look to what it does. Oh, right here it says supports gut health, immunity, energy, beauty, cognition. But of course, these statements are not evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. Let's open it up. And here we have a cube of the gummy. It's a little hard to tell, but it's a really dark green color. It looks black, but it's actually a dark green color. Alright, let's give it a taste. Definitely has the texture and chewiness of a gummy. It is apple flavored. Maybe to me it tastes like a green apple, or it tastes like grape. And this has been the 10 Superfood Gummies.